Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to create a Google Meet link and share it to your friends. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your Google Meet application from your app drawer. Log into your account if necessary. As soon as you open the app, top right says New Meeting at the upper left. In the menu that pops up at the bottom of the screen, tap on Get a Meeting Link to share. Now, in the pop-up, if you tap on this little icon in the right corner, the link will be copied on your clipboard. Now you can paste the link in wherever you like. If you'd like to instantly share the link, then you'll need to go ahead and tap on this Share Invitation button, and now you have an option to share it via Messenger, WhatsApp, or any other messenger application that you have. That is how you'll be able to create a meeting link on Google Meet. If you found the video to be helpful, you can go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box below if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial helps videos like this. Thank you for watching.